tell him yet?
Of course not.
Jack, look it. What's that?
Another rainy.
Yeah.
Come over here. Come on, honey. Get out of the dark light. Go over. Go over in the light.
See her? Yeah. That's your little sister. You want to hold her?
Yeah.
You have to sit down. You don't think she's a little too young for him to hold her?
She's kind of hungry, so she might cry a little bit.
Okay, let her head on the pillow. There you go. Good. She's not fussing. Olive! Olive! Olive!
Her name is Olive.
Uh-oh. She's not making too much noise. Yeah, she's okay. Olive! Olive! What do you think, Jack? That's your baby sister.
Yeah. Pretty little?
Yeah, Olive. Yeah, Olive. Oh. Olive. Olive.